So dear students, here we are going to learn about MS Paint. First we will open MS Paint, click on start button, click on paint, paint will open. Now you know how to draw, you people are very aware about that. So today we will learn about some new features of it, like this clipboard. I will tell in coming classes later. Shape you know, tools you know, colors you know. This image part we will learn today. For that I will draw something here. Okay. Only this much I am drawing right now because I want to tell you first this option. Time is very less. See, select. In this select we are having the option like which type of selection you want. Rectangular selection or freeform selection. So rectangular selection, whenever we will select it, it give us in the form of rectangles. What I have done, click here, rectangle, drag the mouse here. When this 400 arrow is there, we will come inside of the selection. 400 arrow is there, we will drag it, it will drag jahan tak till where we have done the selection, it will cut that thing. Okay, I'll tell you this thing in one more example, then it will be more clear to you. Like this is here, okay, rectangle. I want to cut in the rectangle. Bring in the between of the selection area and I have dragged it. It cut the part in a rectangular form, or you can say in a square form. Okay, but freeform give us the facility, we can draw any shape according to our need, our choice, and we can cut that. See, I have drawn this now. See, so this is the freeform selection. Rectangular selection give us the facility, we can select in a form of rectangle or maybe in a form of a square. Freeform selection give us the facility, we can select in a whatever shape we want to draw. Okay, so now next option, crop. See, crop, nothing is here to crop, we have to select. To select, I have select, crop. We can crop here now. Means that part is crop. Crop means cut. That part is cut from. I have now seen, I am selecting it. Crop. So what the part you want to cut? I want to cut this part. Now it is crop from that painting. Okay. So now next is resize. What size you want? This option. See. See, resize. I have given this skew. Skew means इसको थोड़ा सा tilt कर देगा. Okay, so no need, don't give it. Project coming in our normal position. Resize here. This is I gave it 200. See, size is big now. Okay, so rotate. In what angle you want to rotate it? it's rotate. Okay, in that way you can use that feature.